Hey, how are you feeling, Dylan? How are you feeling for the tour tomorrow? You excited?
Nah.
Which day are you mostly excited for?
Home.
Home. Good one. This is Ludwig. He's not in the band. He's a bit sped.
He's our class hamster.
Yeah, he's going to Chico with us on the first day, and then he's leaving us. How are you feeling, Mr. Ludwig? You excited? Okay, actually answer question.
We feed him only fentanyl.
And a little bit of oil as the drink. Okay, so this is basis for Smash Teeth. How we feeling for the tour tomorrow?
Tired.
Yeah, that sounds about right. Excited for any of the dates specifically? Excited to have interactions with anybody? Like a normal human being?
Yeah. Yeah, I love doing that because I'm a normal human being.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
Look what
When I was
Buddy's
human. Yeah.
Again, we
saying
got
I'm not
caveman.
human anymore,
He's trying
Alright,
to find
well-
lost brain cells.
What the fuck does that mean?
It means
Brian?
eat by S.
Ooh, shittings.
Up!
Ooh, you can't even see him.
Do it, bro. Do it, bro. Hey, watch me drop in. Watch me drop in.
Drop it.
Oh!
We in the fucking Motel 6 parking lot just ruining shit. Oh, Jerry. Oh.
Right for the gut, babe.
Hop on. Oh, dude. Let's turn it on. Forbidden technique. You saw the fun.
Deal with worse.
Oh, my fucking leg. Alright.
Aye. Oh shit. Ooh.
Oh, you got my hand.
We're actually playing the game.
Oh. That's it.
Yeah, that was chill right there.
That was good.
Yeah.
Dude, holy shit, it's a swamp thing.
I didn't know the current was that fucking strong.
It's strong, bro. He jumped in and was like, what?
Hurry, fool.
Yeah, it's fucking strong.
Get in, Chris.
Huh?
Get in, fool. Get in, bro. Okay, let's get in. Look, Mike's got in, bro. You gonna let Mike out nature you?
Yeah. Yeah, I will.
You gonna let
I will
me?
let
You
him
gonna let
out-nature
me
you.
out nature you? You gonna let me out nature you though?
Get it, baby. Just took a hit.
Just jump,
Just
fool.
gotta jump, dude.
Can't
Just
slowly
took a
go
hit.
Don't
in.
even think about it. Just jump.
Well, that's what fucking feel him.
You're so fucking cold.
Your toesies in? Oh, no shit.
Come on, Cruz.
Yeah, let's go.
775 Fat Boy mosh the water. Just fucking run. You have to run, dude.
Get it over with.
You have to run. Cruz, you think about it too much, you're gonna get cold. Just fucking run. Ooh, tsunami.
Glad.
Yeah. They're all skipping rocks now. Oh.
That one was.
Oh.
Oh, shit.
Rise up.
I went far. That was a clean one.
That was clean.
That was like it.
Oh, dude, this one's perfect. Oh, let's check this one out. Because all these rocks are rounded. Which at one point they were in the water.
Still do 3. We at Shasta Lake. Hi, Pedro. You see a Glorbus man driving. Give an eyebrow raise. We in the weed store in Weed, California. There's Pedro. There's Dylan. We're just looking at everything. Weed. Their angle of doing eyeliner.
Yes, I don't like using liquid, but we
Can't even
roll.
get the mirror. Woo! All right.
Most likely, yeah.
Before setup, Vanna setting up ARF merch along with Pedro and Dylan. Got Derek over there. Got a little bit of the 541 hate. Got some of our merch. Wig peel. Like I said, ARF. All blah. Hanging out. Welcome to Rockefeller.
My fucking hero. Bonk! No! I was kidding. Whatever, no worries. Alright. So Derek's bitch ass right here told y'all to look up some fucking YouTube videos. But he didn't even tell you what the fuck to look up. It's pretty simple. Just go onto YouTube, type in NYHC documentary. There's fucking a million of them. It'll tell you everything you need to know. Disclosure, the history of hardcore is really violent and mean. There's gangs. Alright, let's fucking run it. That doesn't make short fucking bullshit! For you. Wow! 59 rivers on half and now! Rock belly violence here! You know how we do! If you think you can pull up, take an act to blow! Then whistle you that burn, I'm gonna blast the fool! I, but what the hell? Rolling around!
On your marks, get set, die.
Bro, ours be so
This
hot.
loser's asleep. Kind of asleep.
Yeah, it looks like we're resting. Airbnb, day 2, this night.
Fuck tooth pains, don't do drugs.
Exactly. Yeah, these fools. Those fools are asleep. We got more people upstairs. And they're watching bonsais. Or was.
Well, yeah, no shit.
No, I mean like I'm taking a video. We're at the Denny's.
We are at the fucking Denny's.
Oh yeah.
No shitting.
I want food because I'm fucking hungry, man.
Day 3 of 2 where I didn't really record, so this is gonna be like a little recording for the ending. Oh. Again, I haven't been taking videos, so this is day 3 night.
Be more enthusiastic, bitch.
He's
Fuck you.
He's trying to warm up.
And then we're at the Denny's in Sacramento, California.
We got no whimsy.
Yeah.
Zero whimsy.
Zero whimsical.
whole crowd, you're calling out one person.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're waiting on Fool's Den right now. Earth and See the homies might show up. Yeah, this is what we're doing right now.
Get situated.
Yeah.
That'd be really funny.
We'll see.
Shout out Mirror Fear, by the way. Those guys are sick. And shout out Wig Peel. Got a Talo shirt. Got a Noctu shirt. But yeah.
Order off the.
Maybe 6 feet and so far down. Hey, Angel. Hi. Hey, Bengal.
That is an absolute great fucking photo.
I'm stealing that for you. Side-eye. Yeah, it's getting turned into a sticker later. Oh.
Are you fucking filming?
Oh.
Add a slice of jalapeno or free shabaka dude for $169.
I got snacks.
Can I get a few drinks while you're waiting on your joiners?
Look at these.
Can I do just a Coca-Cola?
Look at this stuff.
I'd rather die on my face. I'd rather You said what?
The entire game.
last time you gave to Rosa. Yeah. The entire game Mike is in here.
A whole year ago.
Huh? What do you mean Mike isn't here?
He's not. Oh no, everybody's right there.
Yeah, it's like, bro, he's right there.
But you guys have to promise to come to Reno. It is
We will.
That's why we're saving for our own van. Because our biggest expense is that. I used my mom's truck. That's my mom's truck. I don't have.
You guys are gonna have a nice day.
We're gonna have a nice consensual date.
I bought my man's ice cream.
He's putting out tonight. Ooh. He's fucking.
Slam burger, the mozzarella. Your check or his check?
Hi, Angle. Hello. Wow. Steven. Steven here.